How do you perform penetration testing on IoT devices? Have you ever wondered how security experts test the safety of Internet of Things devices? Penetration testing is a key method used to identify weaknesses in these connected systems. Let's break down how this process works and why it matters. First, let's clarify what we mean by Internet of Things devices. These are everyday items like smart home appliances, fitness trackers, and industrial sensors that connect to the Internet to share data. Penetration testing, also known as pen testing, simulates cyberattacks on these devices to find vulnerabilities. The first step in penetration testing is preparation and planning. This phase involves gathering information about the IoT devices, their configurations, and the network they operate on. This information is essential for creating an effective testing strategy. Next, we move on to threat modeling. Here, you identify potential threats and vulnerabilities based on the data collected. This helps you understand the types of attacks that could target the system. The third step is reconnaissance. During this phase, you gather as much information as possible about the target system. You can use passive methods like reviewing publicly available data or active methods, which involve interacting directly with the system. Once you have gathered enough information, you conduct a vulnerability assessment. This involves using tools to scan for open ports and detect vulnerabilities in hardware, firmware, and communication protocols. This assessment gives you a clearer picture of the security posture of the IoT devices. After identifying vulnerabilities, it's time for exploitation. In this step, you attempt to exploit the weaknesses found to gain unauthorized access or control. This verifies the existence and severity of the vulnerabilities. Following exploitation, you enter the post-exploitation phase. Here, you explore the compromised system further to find additional vulnerabilities and understand the extent of the potential breach. Finally, you need to document your findings in a report. This report should include all identified vulnerabilities and provide recommendations on how to mitigate them. When testing IoT devices, specific details matter. For hardware testing, techniques like reverse engineering and memory dumps can help identify weaknesses in device components. Firmware testing looks for open ports, buffer overflows, and backdoors, while communication protocols testing captures and analyzes radio signals. In the context of IoT security best practices and malware analysis, penetration testing is essential. It helps organizations identify vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malware. By simulating attacks, companies can strengthen their IoT systems against potential threats. This proactive approach is vital for protecting sensitive data and ensuring the resilience of IoT networks. So, if you are involved in IoT security, understanding how to perform penetration testing is a key step in safeguarding your devices and networks.